Hi class. Hope your week is going well. I am here to give you some feedback on your problem statement. So I'm in the process right now of finishing up the grading on those. So you should get or plan to get the grades back tomorrow with specific feedback on your problem statements. But as you're working on the annotated bibliography, I wanted to give you some feedback on some things that I've seen with this assignment. From the grading so far, as well as what I've seen in the past on similar assignments. So the first thing in your problem statement, many of you are pretty clear with your thesis, but really needing to be specific. So what exactly are you saying in the paper? So make sure that really is clear to the reader. And in addition, many of you are talking about these general human rights issues, but you really need to make sure that you're providing some specific examples from specific countries. So you don't have to use many, but instead of talking about an entire continent, it's providing some specific examples. So say you're looking at this issue, say, in Kenya, instead of saying, Africa, and then providing specific data will help to support your point. In addition, there's these large international treaties or other provisions or things that you're looking at, and looking at the specific language, the specific provision within that piece of international law is important. So you're going to want to make sure as you're doing this annotated bibliography that you're very specific. And so as you're working on that, that will help you to also further clarify your problem statement. So overall, great topics. I'm really looking forward to seeing your annotated bibliographies. A few notes as you're working on these. Really pay attention to primary and secondary sources and how they're described in the assignment. Okay, so we want to make sure that these are scholarly academic sources, right? So it's fine if you want to use additional sources over the 3 primary and 4 secondary sources, but you want to make sure that, so you can use news articles, you can use, that aren't peer-reviewed or academic journals. However, you want to make sure that that's in addition to this